You know, we haven't been here for a few weeks
We've been taking a break.
because we've been getting KitKats from Japan. So you know what we should do?
You just open them up and eat what's inside.
We're out of practice.
Whatever he said.
We're out of practice. Hi, it's Nestle.
Christina.
Mandy.
Jim.
Kyla. Mrs. Jim.
This is Jim's bag.
Mrs. Jim.
This is Jim's bag. So we have some KitKats that these guys ordered from Japan, some of which we know. Unfortunately, Jim's fluent in Japanese, so he knows what the other ones are.
A lot of anime.
A lot of anime. A lot of tentacle stuff, right, Jim?
No hentai.
No tentacle stuff.
No hentai.
You should, it's good. I want it. But anyway, what should we start with? Because we got a lot.
We
So
have
we're
a
going to
lot.
rush through these probably.
Let's go with
You want to start with?
You like how we're rushing?
Mint yogurt.
mint yogurt, yeah.
Okay,
Mint
mint
yogurt.
yogurt.
Mint yogurt.
Mint yogurt.
It's in a light blue container.
Or yogurt, as we English say.
Or
So,
yogurt as it's
There's
pronounced
going to be
correctly.
two, right? Shall we kind of split?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see, this is mint yogurt. It is white.
There are 5 of us. So.
Who
Yeah,
Well-
there's still a package that needs to be opened.
Well, not really. I mean, we can.
there's-
Yeah, no, what? Yeah, okay. Because I'm gonna, if you don't mind, what I'll do, I'll keep my half for Kristen. She can
Yeah.
try it when
Oh,
she gets it.
Okay.
Here.
Oh, it does smell
Still
like
need another package.
It,
Yeah. Then here, I'll do
it
one
does
of the
smell
hulls.
minty. It does smell
Here you
minty.
go, Mandy. No, take that whole piece right there. There you go.
It reminds me of something actually.
It smells like white chocolate.
oh, white
God,
chocolate.
no.
Oh,
It does.
Oh, that's right. We know Jim loves white chocolate.
His
All right.
favorite.
Here we go. So minty. What was it again? Minty what?
It's
Mint
mint
yogurt.
yogurt.
Mint yogurt in 3, 2, 1. I actually quite like that.
It's got the nice little, yeah, it's a little tart like yogurt would be, but
Oh, I
Yeah.
like that part.
yep.
I'm not getting a lot of mint.
No,
It's
me
very
neither.
It was
faint.
only at the beginning.
It's
You
very faint,
smell
but-
the mint, but it doesn't. It's not overpowering
No.
mint flavor.
I really like that actually.
That's pretty good. It's, okay. Yeah.
That's a good one. All right, next up.
Too much white chocolate for me.
But I love the white
Well, you
chocolate.
don't like white
blend in
chocolate.
it. That's good.
Let's do one of the weird ones. Let's try maybe that one.
This one? The, what's that? Umisake?
Umisake means plum wine.
Oh,
Told you it was
Mandy's
full.
like, yes, please.
Wine.
Thank you.
You can open it and give me my hat.
We should guess what color is this going to be?
Green.
Green.
Or red for wine.
Or
Oh,
purple.
Jim, it's white again.
oh my god.
And this packet is not cooperating. There we go.
It smells like sake.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah, it does.
Oh my god, it does.
Oh my god,
love
it does.
that.
Put your nose in it, Mandy.
Wow, it smells like
Oh,
sake.
This really does.
That.
Okay, so umisake.
Like a really
What was it again?
Umisake.
What?
Umisake.
Umisake.
Plum wine.
Plum wine.
Umisake plum wine in 3,
Plum wine.
2, 1.
Sake instantly.
That tastes like
That's
a sweet
delicious.
A
sake.
lot of plum. I'm getting plum in that. Much
Yeah.
more mint than the mint we got before.
Oh, that's
That's
really
really
good.
good.
That is fabulous.
That's
That's
really
delicious.
2 for 2.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Wow.
So good.
Oh, I feel like
Thank
I'm
you
drunk.
guys. Thank you guys. This is a good taste test. I like this.
Woo!
You're perking up maybe there's actual alcohol in
Well,
it.
then should we try the rum raisin next?
Okay, let's try rum raisin next.
Yeah, we'll come back to a more
Wow.
traditional flavor.
That plum wine was
That was
American.
amazing.
really
That
good.
was amazing. Okay, what color are we thinking for this one?
White
Probably
again.
white.
Yeah.
Yep.
Good
Jimbo's
job.
favorites.
Okay.
Smells like raisins.
You want
Oh,
the
it
rum?
definitely smells like raisins.
Well, Kristen's gonna hate this because she hates raisins.
Mm.
No, I smell is
I
raisins.
smell
But I
raisins. I smell rum, like the spicing of rum.
I love rum raisin ice cream. It's one of my
It's really
favorites.
good. Mine too.
I grew up on it because you know in England we drink those at 4.
Right. Which,
All right, here we go. 3, 2. It takes a second to
Okay.
kick in.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
got the raisin now.
yeah.
You know what I'm tasting more than rum? Eggnog.
Really?
Yeah.
You're right. Maybe that's the white chocolate.
It's a spiced eggnog, yeah.
Yeah.
It's eggnog.
Yeah.
There's a little bit of raisin.
I can taste the
A raisin.
booziness. I can
I
like
don't
the
really-
spice of booziness like rum, but it's much more eggnog
It's
than
like
Yeah.
a very like hint
I got the
of
booze at
raisin,
the
but
end.
it's mostly
I gotta tell you, that is delicious again.
Yeah, I wouldn't throw that away.
No.
Three
Don't eat it.
so far.
If it was a woman, I wouldn't kick her out of bed for potato chips
Or crisps.
or
Or
crisps.
crisps.
All right, what are we doing
What are we doing
next?
Let's
Let's
stay
do
on
the
the
apple.
No, let's stay on the
Oh,
booze
the
train.
sake. Let's go to the sake.
Sake? Alright, let's do sake.
Oh, that's the Japanese sake?
Yeah, just a. So this is not gonna be sweet.
It shouldn't be.
I'm not arguing the sake.
Thank you.
I know you're not. This
Colour?
one,
What do we
hard.
colour? Colour?
And
White.
white. Still gonna be white.
White.
Yeah.
Yes. It's Jimbo's very favorite.
Ooh.
Jim's like, yeah, I mean, why do you order all this white crap?
That smells like sake.
Oh my gosh, it does.
Yeah, that really does.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so what's this one again?
Japanese sake.
Japanese.
Japanese sake. In
Oh wow.
It was a little too sweet.
It's too sweet.
A bit sweet, yeah.
the plum one was better.
The
Oh,
plum
yeah.
one was
The
delicious.
plum one was, but again, good.
Now if this was hot sake, it might be a little bit different.
No, this makes me want a sake bomb.
Girl.
See, I'm not a sake drinker.
Well,
No,
sake.
I don't like drinking sake either. I drink the sake bomb.
I drink sake.
No,
Yeah. You can kill the flavor with sake with more alcohol.
the plum wine one was better than that in my
I
opinion.
agree.
I agree as well.
Yes.
I think we should save that one.
Okay, we'll say that one.
What
So-
was this one, Jimbo?
Uh,
Suddenly dumplings?
Ikinari Dango is suddenly dumplings. It's sweet potato and red bean paste.
Oh.
Two things I'm not a fan of.
Sweet potato. I don't like sweet potatoes either.
Nope.
Me either.
Nope.
Red bean paste, I like.
That's just white.
It is.
Probably. It's the filling red.
We should probably take a look. Actually, that's a good call.
It smells like a sweet potato.
Does it?
Yes.
It
Oh
actually
yes, it does.
Oh god.
It really does.
And I don't
Ew.
like sweet
Oh.
potato.
Gross. It smells like dirt.
Oh.
All right,
So
let's
gross.
3, 2, 1. Not ready inside.
Ugh. I don't like it.
I'm getting potato.
Ew.
I barely took
Oh,
it.
sweet potato, so gross.
It's not what red. I would throw that one out.
Not getting a lot of red bean, but the sweet potato is there.
I love sweet potatoes. It's delicious.
Tastes like dirt.
I love them.
I do not like that at
They're
all.
Love it.
gross.
That's good.
No, that's not
Looks
good.
like I could fit into a sweet potato, period.
Tasty.
That was disgusting. So we have to eat the fruit ones.
Way.
So,
Bananas or apples?
Apples or bananas?
Apples.
Apples.
which do you prefer, man? You prefer an apple or a banana?
She's
Anyway, moving
She's
on.
an equal opportunity. Since I opened the bag, I chose.
You chose the apple.
You said
I wanna
PG,
save the
so I
big-
couldn't say anything.
Oh, here we go.
Is
we
it a
got,
different
we got
color?
we got a milk chocolate.
It was a brown.
one. Nice.
Oh, that smells like apple.
Oh my
Oh my
god, it does.
God,
It's
that
a Washington apple. No,
Yeah,
just
that
kidding.
is.
All right, so in
Granny Smith apples.
So this is Shinshu apple.
3, 2.
Ooh, that's delicious.
Immediately apple.
So,
And a red apple.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Which is weird that it's like the chocolate, and I don't really
That's
even get the
good.
chocolate. Yeah.
I think the flavoring is in the chocolate as well.
Mm-hmm.
Like it's
I think you're right.
so my coworker told me that these particular apples are very expensive because they're only grown in a specific region in Japan, and they're only grown for such a short period of time.
Oh wow. Well,
I like that flavor. I have to
There
say.
it is.
Yeah.
And I'm not.
Delicious.
I'm not
So
usually a
crisp.
fruit fan, but that was
Right.
good.
I'm excited.
So
Very
next,
big apple.
second to last,
This banana.
and this is interesting because a lot of banana candy tastes very artificial.
Like the imitation banana
yeah,
flavor.
very artificial. Oh, we got a milk one again.
Oh,
Oh, great.
Chocolate
Oh.
bananas.
I love chocolate
Nothing wrong
bananas.
with chocolate covered bananas.
Oh, chocolate. Yes. Oh, favorite ice cream. Ben and Jerry's Chunky Monkey.
Chunky monkey. Yum yum.
Not a lot of smell,
It
No.
has a slight banana smell.
but not a lot.
Very slight.
But we'll find out in 3, 2.
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
Instantly.
That's delicious.
That's real banana. That's not that imitation banana.
Yum. That's good. Banana and chocolate. Yum yum.
I'm getting a lot more chocolate in that one though, so there's a little bit of flavor. Like the apple just tasted like apple.
Right. There definitely
This
should
is
be
definitely
more.
chocolate plus banana.
Yeah.
I gotta tell you, I do not taste banana at all in that.
Really?
Genuinely
Yeah.
don't.
Banana instantly.
No.
I do.
I don't taste banana
I
whatsoever.
think that they should have honestly though used the white base.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the
I
the
agree.
white chocolate instead.
Yeah,
Yeah,
because
I
the
don't-
chocolate was overpowered. It did overpower it, but I could still get it.
Yeah.
Especially if since the banana flavor was so mild.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
just want to torture me with the white chocolate.
Yes.
Yeah, pretty much.
It's us.
So the last one, and the one we saved till the end, We're hoping it's promising because we did a wasabi Oreo that was actually really good. But we have Wasabi KitKat.
All right, let's see. Do you think it's gonna be green?
Yes.
I'm hoping.
Yep.
I'll be
Light
very
green.
irritated if it's not.
Correct. I'll open it.
Oh, it is.
Yay!
Well, it's pale green.
Oh well, that's all right. It's still greenish.
Well,
Did you drop it?
Make sure the doggies don't get that.
Grab that, grab that.
Oh, piece of
Make
it.
sure the doggies don't get it.
Yep. Last thing I need is for the doggies.
Oh yeah, we don't want the dogs eating chocolate. Actually, white chocolate isn't terrible for dogs.
Is the pot
I don't
cacao?
smell
Yeah.
anything.
Got it right on my nose.
I smell the white chocolate.
I don't smell
Yeah,
It almost smells limey to me.
no, that's you.
I'm glad
That's a
you
good one.
said it.
In 3, 2. Oh, it's
Yeah.
there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's
You
there.
know that you get that kick instantly.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know that
I
it's.
think it's like between the layers of the cookie.
But I gotta tell you, I like that.
That is.
That is delicious.
I could
so
use a
good.
little bit more wasabi in
I
there.
agree with you. Just a
I could.
tad bit more.
Yeah.
But it's
And-
that whole
But you
sweet,
feel it.
spicy thing.
Yeah.
What I could use is more.
Ooh, you get it after the fact. As soon as you go.
What I could
Feels
use
every
more
whole
of it in that flavoring
Yeah.
is more salt, like a little soy flavoring,
Yeah.
like soy sauce flavor to go with it.
Those were good.
Craze was like, wait, huh? Oh.
All right, so they were really good. Thank you for guys for getting those. Favorite, Jim?
What was the one before banana? The apple.
The apple.
The apple.
Mr. Jim?
I have to go with the plum wine, the sake. Ooh, the ube sake.
That's what I was gonna go with too.
Yeah.
I have to say I agree with him. That plum wine was killer.
So good.
I really
On
like
one
that.
out.
Well, there has to be one.
Yeah.
I think that and then the second runner-up is the wasabi. I really like
Yeah.
the wasabi as well.
Yeah.
Agreed.
If you've tried any of these Kit Kats, please let us know in the comment section below. Also, please like, share, and subscribe this. Also, there's the little alarm bell thing to notify when we get new videos. We'd appreciate that as well. Links to our Patreon and our social media are down below. And they're all around the screen on the QR code, as well as Christina's books.
Hey.
So anyway, till next time when we taste something weird and unusual, take care, Internet. We'll see you soon.
Adios, geek nuggets.
My God, one take.